Absolutely. Ram, we'll come back to you. But in the meantime, as the chorus in support of Anna Hazare's anti-corruption crusade keeps on growing, now war veterans have come out backing Anna Hazare, calling Anna a top soldier. Ex-servicemen say they will not accept anything short of a victory this time.
A war veteran who fought not one or two, but 4 wars for his country. A decorated war hero who has been awarded as many as 12 medals for his bravery. This is the story of Major General B.N. Dhar, a war hero who has found new hope in Anna Hazare.
He has got very deep into it. He would prefer to die than to get out of the movement. So no Prime Minister should expect that a soldier, basically a soldier, he may have been a driver, makes no difference, but he has come out as a soldier. He will not leave the fight halfway. He will fight through.
Angry with the deep-rooted corruption in the country, the retired army major asserts on the need for a strong Lokpal bill.
Corruption has now gone into our blood. I cannot imagine a soldier could have got into corruption. The government will try them, but the trial will carry on for 10 years. Either those people are dead or the government changes. But what happens is, if we have a corruption law in the country, those people should go to jail, and they will go to jail.
Major General Dhar is not the only officer backing Anna's fight. 66-year-old retired Colonel Narendra Khajuria resonates what India is demanding today.
Corruption is the root cause of all the problems that we have got in our country, and that must be removed. At the moment, a lot of people are there who are not answerable. They do the corruption and get away with it. So we want a system which should be there where people are answerable, which people have to be punished. The people who does something wrong or something corrupt practices, anybody who does, he should be punished. Justice should be done.
With millions across the world echoing I am Anna chorus, these men of honor believes victory is just round the corner.
I have full feeling, full faith as a soldier that Anna will succeed.
I want that he should continue till that his goal is achieved, till that Lokpal bill is formed, that strong Lokpal bill.
Bureau Report, Times Now.